Hello everybody, tonight we make minestrone soup. Now it started cold outside, that's what you need to warm up you need minestrone. Now the minestrone soup, I got everything in front of me over here. And what you need, I got a plum tomato, I peel off, I chop already in little dice. I got a hot Italian sausage, I got ditalini, I got beans. This was dry beans, but I cook it by myself. It's the best thing to do. I got a chicken stock. I got 3 celery, 1 turnip, 2 potato, 3 carrots, a half cabbage, and I got a half onion. Okay, now I want to start to chop the rest of the stuff like this. I can show everybody what you gotta do. Now, this is the celery, and what I do, I cut this in half. Another one slice over here. And you do the piece small like that. And now this celery, I put right over here in this dish over here. Okay, now we start with the potato. And we do the potato like this. And the potato, you do the same thing like that. And after you do the dice. This, when I was in Italy, in a house, that's what we was eat, minestrone. And minestrone is so easy to make, that everybody love the minestrone. When I was in Orsara, we would use this, it was snow, and the best thing to make this stuff. And after, the people say, hey Pasquale, che te mangi oggi? Stasera mangiamo minestrone. Madonna, minestrone really good. Okay, it's done, and we put it on this bowl over here. Okay, now we gotta do the cabbage. Yeah, I want to slice this. Okay, now we cut like this. Okay, after one time we cook, this is shrink the cabbage. Okay, now we start the soup. I got my gas on, and I put the oil. Okay, I want to start with the sausage. Now, this is the spicy sausage. We use this. Okay, gotta make the soup really, really good. Okay. Good. We make sure to break all the meat. Okay, now this is enough like this. I don't want to cook all the way. And now it's time of the onion. Like the onion, you don't gotta chop really thin. You can chop the same cube, like the carrots, the celery, everything. The onion, it's good enough like this. Now it's time. We put the carrots, the celery. And we give a nice turn of the carrots. Now this is a saute, everything together. Now we put the cabbage. And we give a nice turn on this. We got the turnip and the potato. And we put it right over here. Okay, now it's the time of the chicken stock. Now the chicken stock I was make really with you need a lot of the bones. It make a good chicken stock. Now I want to put the plum tomato. Okay, now this you gotta cook for half hour. After a half hour, I gotta put the beans. The beans, it's cooked already. You gotta cook only for 15 minutes altogether with the soup. Okay, it got about 30 minutes, and now we put the beans. I use the water for the beans, it give a good taste. And look at the beans. It's not the same when you buy in a can. Okay, we give a turn on this. This now you gotta cook it together for 10 minutes. Now the 10 minutes it gotta cook. I got my ditalini. I put salt in the water already, and we cook for the night 10 minutes. So you can cook the pasta, any kind of the pasta you want inside of the soup, the minestrone. But the ditalini, see you put cook over here, and you got some left over, you want it tomorrow. When you warm up the minestrone again, you say, what happened? I put ditalini, and now it's rigatoni. That's what happened. The ditalini, when you live inside the minestrone, day after, you swallow, it come like rigatoni. It's why I cook separate. Everybody take how many pasta you want inside the minestrone. Okay, now when the pasta is ready, I put on a different dish. And like this, everybody can take how many you want. Okay, my minestrone is ready to go. Wow, it's a nice pot. Now, first thing what I do, I put a little pasta right in my dish over here. And this, the minestrone. And let's see. Okay, this. Okay, now we need a little cheese. It smells so good. I want to taste it now. My oye baby. Yeah, it's really good. Now we do nice salute cincin to everybody. Oh, I'm so happy tonight. I was making my own minestrone for Orsara. That's the minestrone. Salute cincin to everybody. Thank you very much, everybody. Salute cincin, and we see next time. Thank you very much.